Frugal Panda here with a quick review of the GoAbroa Spoke Wrench here. I had found I had a irritating squeak on my Rad Power Mini version 4, and it was really irritating. So I couldn't diagnose. I just knew it was coming from the rear. So I realized I didn't have a spoke wrench. So, well, let's get on Amazon, buy a spoke wrench. So I bought a spoke wrench, pretty self-explanatory. It's numbered. You find the one that fits your spoke that goes with your bike. And this is for regular bikes, e-bikes, all that good stuff. And so I found the correct one that fits mine, the measurement that fits mine, and started tightening it. And what I found was this Rad Power Mini was super loose. My spokes were really loose on this bike. And considering it didn't even have 300 miles on it, it's the last version of the Rad Power Mini version 4 from about a year or two ago before they went to the Rad Expand. Anyway, so I commenced to tighten them all up. And like I said, they were all very loose. So got them all tightened up. It took me, I don't know, 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes max, I'd say. And I was like, I can't believe I've never had a spoke wrench. Well, now I have one. Once I tightened it, I actually took the bike out for a test ride, and then I rode it some more actually after that. And my squeak was gone. So this little spoke wrench actually saved me money and time because I was about to go back, delve deeper into, wait a minute, what's going on here with this bike? Why is this going on? Is it my chain? Is it, whatever, trying to do all this diagnosis and trying to figure it out, and maybe throwing just money at a problem. And all it was my spokes were loose. So I highly recommend you get a spoke wrench. I think they come in handy. The size of this one is very compact. You see I'm putting it in a small little bag. I keep a little bit of tools in one of my e-bikes. Takes up absolutely no room. Sturdy, made of steel. And yeah, I highly recommend it. It's really cool. Anyway, it's Frugal Panda. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope this helps someone out there. And like I said, I would definitely add this to my collection if I was someone out here who likes to ride e-bikes or bikes for that matter. Anyway, Frugal Panda out. Thanks for watching, everyone.